So guys, today's topic is the difference between database and database instance. Okay, so let's begin our video. So guys, in the last video guys, I had shown you the Oracle database Linux server, okay, and some of its features. Okay, so let's talk about the database and the database instance. So an Oracle database, it consists of two major components. One is the database storage, okay, and other one is the Oracle database instance, okay, Oracle instance. So guys, this Oracle instance is basically a program that runs in the memory of your database Linux server, okay, and it helps us to interact with uh, the data stored in our database. So we will talk about it further. And as you know that database is an organized collection of information. Okay, as I have told you earlier in my initial videos. Okay, and guys, our Oracle database, it basically contains a different number of database files. Different types of database files are present, okay, in an Oracle database. So these database files are present on the disk storage of your Oracle database server. So I think if you remember in my last video, I had shown you the Oracle database Linux server that I have created in my virtual machine. So the disk storage it is talking about is, I told you using this command df-hok. It shows the file system or the different mount points. I told you that this slash u01 mount point I had created while creating the virtual machine, okay, to be used for storing the database files, the physical database files.